Excited to try out your Ecovacs Deebot OZMO T8 AVM mopping feature. But wait, why is it moving backward and making a mess? You're not alone. The backward mopping, circling in place issue is a common headache for Deebot owners. This frustrating problem is often caused by a faulty wheel. When it malfunctions, your robot can get confused, move in reverse, and even start spinning in circles. Not exactly the cleaning performance you were hoping for. So, what's the solution? Wheel replacement is the answer. You might be tempted to think,
no big deal, I can just replace it myself,
and start searching for a replacement wheel. But before you dive into a DIY, let's consider the potential pitfalls. Attempting a DIY repair on that faulty wheel could lead to unintended consequences. You might accidentally damage other sensitive components, making the problem even worse. And what if the backward movement isn't just the wheel? There could be other underlying issues that require expert diagnosis. And then there's the "it can't be that hard" fallacy. Sure, changing a light bulb is simple, but replacing a robot vacuum wheel? That's a whole different ballgame. You're dealing with tiny screws, delicate mechanisms, and the potential to cause irreversible damage. Don't risk turning a minor problem into a major headache. Trust the experts at RoboCare with your Deebot repair needs. At RoboCare, our technicians have years of experience diagnosing and repairing robot vacuum issues, including the dreaded backwards boogie. We have the specialized tools and genuine parts to ensure a safe and effective repair, getting your Deebot back to its cleaning duties quickly and efficiently. And now, look at it go. No more backward moves, just a clean and happy Deebot doing what it does best. With RoboCare's expert repair, your Deebot will be back to tackling dirt and grime with ease, leaving you with a spotless home you can be proud of. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I was so relieved. My Deebot was back to its old self, cleaning like a champ. No more backwards boogie, just spotless floors. RoboCare saved the day, and they saved me from having to buy a new robot vacuum.
Ready to experience the RoboCare difference? Visit our website, call us, or drop by our service center. We offer convenient courier services for hassle-free repairs.